Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I am going to show you that how to add neon effect on your videos by using the CapCut. So I will show you exactly how to do this. First of all, you have to just open your CapCut app and then import the project that you want to change with the neon effect. So once you're done, you have to just adjust it according to your requirement. Once you are satisfied, you have to just unselect the timeline of the video. Once you're done, you will find a lot of the option in the bottom menu. So here you will find an option of the effect. Just click on it, and in the effects you are available with the three options. You have to just click on the first one, which is a video effect. So once you are here, you will find a lot of the options in the top of this pop-up. You have to just scroll all the way right side, and then here you will find an option of the comic. Just click on this option here like this. So once you click on it, you will find a lot of the effects that are related to the comic. You have to just find here for the neon, as we want to add this neon effect to our video. Once you have to just click on it, then it will be applied on your video, and then click on done. So once you are here, you can adjust this neon effect according to your requirement. For this, click on the adjust option, but make sure that you have selected the neon effect. After this, click on the adjust, and here you can drag this line toward the left if you want to minimize this effect, and if you want to maximize this effect, you have to just drag this dot toward the right. Once you are happy with your adjustment, you have to just click on the done. After that, you can see that this neon effect has been applied on my video. After that, just export your video and enjoy. Hopefully this video will be very helpful for you. For more information, visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. Leave a like and a comment for this video, and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.